day's work, bucking traffic, a guy likes to get back to the comfortable surroundings of home. He likes to get out of those business clothes and into a nice, brisk shower in his own room, into his casual clothes, and a few moments to relax in. Then, the pleasure of a hearty meal and good company. That's what home is to a guy who works hard. That's why people at the PGA National Golf Club chose luxuriant Futuro Plush carpet by Karastan. It's made of Anso nylon, so it stands up to traffic, yet it's beautiful enough to make it like home. Shouldn't you have Futuro by Karastan for your own little home?